I'll show you how to fix something went wrong while attempting to sign you in now. This is also known as the E87 bug in Steam. Now, the way that you can fix this is first we want to locate our Steam. If you don't have it on your desktop, you can search for it down here. Steam, right? Click Open File Location. Now, what we want to do is right-click on it, Properties, and find the target. Now, what you want to do is copy all of this Ctrl-C or right-click copy, come down here, search for Run, open up Run, and in here you want to paste it and make a space/repair. Now press OK, and your Steam will open in a repaired mode, which can fix the issue now. If you don't want to go down here every time, what you can do is you can simply change this one to the /repair, press apply, and OK. And every time you open up this one, it will be in the repaired mode. Now, if this doesn't work, what we can try is we can come down here, open up our apps and settings in here, find Steam, uninstall, and reinstall it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.